Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be taking you on another scenic route through southern Indiana. It's a route that starts out in Lawrenceburg, Indiana, and takes you all the way across the state over to Vincennes on Route 50. We're going to see a lot of nice scenery and a lot of nice fall color. So come along with us. Coming into Vincennes. We just stopped at Vincennes State Park and we are back on Route 50, and we're going to take you through and show you some really nice southern Indiana scenery, some great fall colors as well.
Yeah, it definitely helps having a beautiful sunny day like today with blue sky. It just kind of brings out the color a little bit more in the trees. Although I noticed some of these trees are getting bare. I don't like it.
You know, we've been looking for some nice roads to ride in Indiana or southern Indiana. Drop any comments below if you guys have any ideas as far as any other routes to take in southern Indiana area that might interest ourselves or any of our other viewers. Gosh, definitely some nice colors through here.
Yeah. Very orange. Lots of orange.
Says there's not some nice riding roads in Indiana.
Makes it even better with all these fall colors, because the color here is very bright, vibrant. It's definitely highlighting the ride. I also noticed though there's quite a few leaves that are falling, like leaving the trees.
Yep. You kind of hate to see summer be over, but when you get out on a road and you see this kind of color, it kind of makes you enjoy this time of the year as well.
Oh, for sure.
This would be a good time to throw in there that if you would be so kind and are interested in following us, we'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. That way it'll keep you updated with all our events and everything we still have planned this year, and give you an opportunity to stay in touch with everything Two Wheel Buckeyes. section here, curvier. Definitely on his last 25%, it's more elevation changes, more curves, more of a wooded area.
Yeah, it's very scenic through here.
You can definitely tell we're back in farm country. You know how you can tell?
That's how you can smell.
Yeah, you can tell by the smell.
Yeah, and thank goodness that anybody watching this video can't smell through the video because it's gross. just saw a sign back there that there is a turkey farm that is for butterball.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Stop and pick up a 12-pounder.
Yeah, man. Save a trip to the grocery store. Just strap it on the back of the tour pack and just
Yeah,
let's
there you go. Well, you can just put it in your lap, hold on to it. We don't have that much
cars
further.
when we go by.
Yeah. All right, well, what did you think of this route, Dawn?
I thought it was good. It was a very pleasant ride. Wonderful day. Really cool little towns we went through. Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it definitely started out a little straighter and then definitely got into some more twists and turns. So hope you enjoyed coming along with us and spending the day with us going across the great state of Indiana on Route 50. So until we see you next time, be safe, everyone.